Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change your language in Racing Kingdom application. If you want to change your language setting on the Racing Kingdom app on your mobile device, then follow along. First of all, open up the Racing Kingdom app on your smartphone, and then once you're in the main screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, go to the language option at the bottom right and tap on it. From the list of available languages, select the language you prefer. After you do that, click on confirm, and this will restart the game and the app will update to your chosen language. You can repeat this step for every other language you want to change to on Racing Kingdom. So that's how you can easily change the language setting in Racing Kingdom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.